Welcome in this video. In case you've been wondering, this is Peschiera del Garda, one of the most beautiful towns here in Lake Garda. Come with me so we can explore every single detail about this beautiful place. One of the first things that we should consider if you're planning to visit this beautiful town is about the parking area. As you know, Peschiera is very touristic. There's a lot of activity here, so if you want to come here, I will suggest you to come early in the morning, so you will not have any problem at all with the parking area. This right here, it's called Porta Verona, one of the main entrances to the beautiful city center of Peschiera del Garda. Look closely at the lion above Porta Verona. Napoleon's troop destroyed the original symbol in 1797, trying to erase Peschiera's Venetian identity. It returned only in 2019, exactly 222 years later. This is not a simple gateway, it's a symbol that history tried and failed to silence. Now continue straight ahead and you'll soon reach the famous Ponte dei Voltoni, one of Peschiera del Garda's most iconic landmarks. Its 5 magnificent arches rise above the canal, where small boats gently float on the water. This right here is one of the best places of Peschiera. We are now at the Ponte dei Voltoni, and in this beautiful place you can find a lot of restaurants, bars and even some shopping centers. It's a really beautiful place. We are here in July, so the temperature is really high, about 33 degrees. So it's very beautiful, but it's also very hot right now in the summer. And don't worry, we're gonna see later in the video the best swing spots of Peschiera del Garda. And here is something most visitors don't realize. Some of the cafes and restaurants around this canal are built inside spaces that once belonged to Peschiera's Austrian fortress. One of them even has a floating terrace, allowing guests to eat almost at water level, surrounded by the small boats moored along the canal. Just behind the waterfront, narrow streets lead to local shops and boutiques. What was once a military waterway is now one of the liveliest and most charming meeting places in Peschiera del Garda. I really didn't expect to see this kind of detail right here for not even a bar, but as you can imagine, they sell also flowers and garden stuff here. And this place is beautiful and really detailed. If you've been going around in this beautiful place and you just want to relax and have a pause, you may just need a place like this to grab a coffee or have your beautiful drink. As you can see, guys, the place is really awesome, but unfortunately the weather is really demanding, and it's really too hot right now. I can barely keep exploring. I need an ice cream, or I need to find a place where to have another refreshing drink, because In days like this, the sun is just too strong. I'm now leaving the canals behind and heading into the historic center of Peschiera. One thing I really like about this town is that it's actually built inside a fortified fortress, with walls and gates that have protected the town for centuries. Today, instead of soldiers, you'll find little shops, cafes, gelato places, and lots of people just enjoying a walk. It's the kind of place where you don't really need a plan. Just wander through the streets, explore the little corners, and sooner or later you'll discover something interesting. Right next to the square, under this modern glass roof, are the remains of ancient Arilica, the Roman settlement that once stood here long before today's Peschiera was built. Now guys, if you've come to this beautiful square, I'm gonna show you one extra tip to a spectacular view that is right over here in that uphill. Basically, over the uphill, you're gonna find a spectacular view of the river Mincio.
First glance, Porta Brescia may seem less impressive than Porta Verona, but this is exactly what makes it fascinating. This gate was not designed to impress visitors, it was designed to control them. Dating back to the mid-16th century, Porta Brescia was known as the country gate. Farmers and merchants once passed through this entrance, bringing supplies and goods into the fortified town. Even its name reveals its purpose. The gate faced west in the direction of Brescia.
By the way guys, if you're not subscribed, I really invite you to subscribe to the channel because we have a lot of videos about some very interesting places, and keep in mind that every single week we are going to deliver another video with us exploring some beautiful places around the world. I've now reached one of the swimming spots in Peschiera. The water here is incredibly clear, and as you can see, plenty of people are enjoying a refreshing swim. It's a perfect place to cool off on a warm day. By the way, guys, if you are not subscribed to the channel, I really invite you to subscribe because we have a lot of videos. We are exploring the best places to visit, and I really suggest you to subscribe to the channel.